to you, barangay officials. My name is Joshua L. Pula, and I am doing this video to discuss to you about climate change. And what we're experiencing now is some of the effects of climate change. So, first things first, let us define what is climate change. Climate change is an important, current, and ongoing issue around the world. If you are unaware of what climate change is, it is a global or regional change in weather patterns that last for a long period of time. Climate change is greatly caused by the increased level of atmospheric carbon dioxide, which is produced by the use of fossil fuels, such as exhaust from cars, motorcycles, and trucks, and also burning trash and factory emissions. These are also contributing to global warming, which is a gradual increase in the overall of Earth's atmosphere. Some effects of global warming here in the Philippines is the rising temperature in the water that causes drought. Air quality has been increased because of air pollution, deforestation, because of industrial construction and trash that affects air quality that we breathe. There are 4 main points here or topic in my video, namely the air quality, deforestation, trash, and flood. And I will be explaining them to you why they are one of the reasons of climate change. First up, we have the air quality. It is one of the reasons of climate change, and climate change can impact the air quality that we breathe in. Most of air pollution comes from energy use and production, and also burning fossil fuels, trash, plastics, and anything that releases gases and chemicals into the air. Air pollution is caused by solid and liquid particles and certain gases that are suspended in the air. These particles and gases can come from cars, trucks, motorcycles, and factories that pollutes the air and affects the air quality we breathe in every day. Second is deforestation. It's also a huge leading cause to climate change and is a primary contributor to it by revising the effects of carbon sequestration and releasing greenhouse gas emission into the atmosphere. When trees are cut down or burned or allowed to rot, their stored carbon is released into the air as carbon dioxide. Deforestation is also responsible for about 18% of all global greenhouse emission from human activities, even from more than transportation. Building houses and other structures affects the environment because it produces tons of waste and harmful chemicals which pollutes the land and air. This is how deforestation contributes to global warming or climate change. Third and fourth, trash and floods is also one of the reasons of climate change. Trash can travel through the world's river and ocean. Oftentimes, trash is not disposed properly and we just throw them anywhere. When rainfall comes, the trash that was thrown anywhere will be carried by the water through the drainage. When trash is piled up and blocks the waterway, it will cause flood. There are solutions to these problems as long as we actually perform and use them. For the air quality, we could start by walking and biking more to reduce gas emission into the air. Avoid burning trash, leaves, plastics, and other materials. We could also use electronic cars instead of using vehicles and motorcycles and other that emit gas and chemicals into the air. Planting more trees could solve the problem of deforestation and air pollution. Planting more plants and trees can help. We should plant as many or more trees than we are cutting down, because we're cutting down tons of trees without replacing them, and we need trees. They are essential for life and the air on Earth because they take in carbon dioxide, removing it from the air and replacing it with oxygen, which is good for us and the Earth's atmosphere, and also improve the air quality we breathe in. And lastly, to solve the problem about trash and floods, we should start by segregating our trash into 3 categories: the biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and the recyclables. We should dump our trash into the proper place and not throw them anywhere. This could reduce the risk of floods in the future. And we should clean our surroundings and participate for cleanup drives